In this video, I'm going to show you how to flatten a drawing in AutoCAD and remove unwanted Z-axis values. Start by switching to the top view so you can clearly assess your drawing. Next, select all the objects you want to flatten. You can then type Flatten in the command line and press Enter, or access the command through the Express Tools tab under Modify. When prompted to remove hidden lines, type N for No and press Enter. AutoCAD will process the selected objects and place them on a single plane by removing elevation differences. This helps eliminate issues caused by stray Z values and ensures your drawing remains truly two-dimensional. Flattening is especially useful before sharing files, creating layouts, or exporting drawings to other software. After the process is complete, check your drawing in an isometric view to confirm that all objects are aligned on the same plane. Regularly using the Flatten command can help maintain cleaner and more accurate drawings. Thanks for watching, and happy drafting in AutoCAD.